Let's have a look at the basic consumables for Xiaomi Mi Robot or Roborock vacuum cleaner. This is the main vacuum brush. Here it is. That comes even with the thingy for cleaning it up. The most demanded supplies will be probably vacuum filters. They come in sets of 2. Here they are. You usually get one together with your first main body vacuum. Next in line is corner brush. Again, comes in sets of 2 pieces, neatly packed, very demanded. I think the least demanded item will be brush cover. That comes as such. And that's it. That's all from the basic main supplies for the great vacuum cleaner.